We are branding. Tomorrow is bragging rights. We're gonna go take Taka, the roofing company, opening ceremony, bro. Guys, I'm running on like 4 till about 8 o'clock. 3.5 hours sleep for 3 days. I think I just need a shot of ethanol. Good. And I can wake up again. You need ethanol. Must. Guys, for all the Joburg guys, Uncle Sanjay from 357 organized so that the cars don't run out of fuel and everybody is fueled up, because none of these cars are running on pump fuel, guys. You won't catch them at the petrol garage busy filling. Tonight we're gonna go testing. We have a couple of cars dialed in. We have that blue, you catch it on video. The blue single turbo that just pulled out. We have one bully. The other bully is having a driving period. Just going to Cape Town to enjoy the air. We've got, I don't know. I lost track of how many cars it need to be tested and dialed in. So guys, this is our new design. Let us rather show you on the G series right over there. That is basically our design that we went with this year. So this year we did it a bit different, whereas last year we did a stripe going over the rear with a number box in the front. I thought let's do something that looks a bit more sleek and at the same time unified, like we did with the stripes. And I think it came out very nice. In my personal opinion, I should have made it slightly bigger, but other than that, I think it really looks good. So far we've only got good compliments and stuff. So there you can see on our 235 we have the 240, there's another 240, and obviously this G80, this beautiful specimen of a car. The M5 is getting at the E92 is getting at that M4 over there, far over there. I don't know if you guys can see on the camera. That car has it, this E55 is getting it, and there's a few other cars coming. So you can see each car is personalized with their own number. For example, this G80 has 23 on, that 235 has 27, the 240 has 93, and so on and so forth, yeah. But now I know for next year what more or less look I want to go for. This is exactly what I had in mind immediately after last year's run. So we're going to go with something a bit different again next year, and I'm very much excited for that one. And then from there we can take it. They're currently loading 50 cans of ethanol into a massive transit van. So we're just waiting for them to pull out, and we can pull our next batch of cars. Guys, we're doing this beautiful E92 now. We're busy with it. So basically, yeah, it's like I would say a two-layered sticker pack. So where the initial layer of the sticker pack being this entire piece over here, the black and the orange, right? Then the second layer, like he's pulling off now, which is your custom Supreme Technik number box sticker. Like that is the personalized part of the sticker pack. So every car will have its own sticker basically. Yeah. So I tried and I failed terribly by myself. So I thought, let me wait till my guys come and do it. Yeah, I'm very tired. I'm running currently on about 3 hours of sleep. Yeah, about 3 hours of sleep. So I'm half dead, and tonight's gonna be a long night again. So I'm looking forward to it. Evening guys, welcome. It's the evening before the madness of the weekend. And yeah, as you probably see in the other pieces of the other snippets, we've been introduced to the guys that are from Joburg, our other guys that are here, our team members, our normal team members. Thank you to everybody, thank you to them, thank you to you guys who are watching out there, who are following us, who are liking, subscribing, who are commenting. Thank you for everyone for the support, guys. It's crazy. So we're just busy setting up the vehicle. There's one vehicle we need to just set up properly. Davy's busy dialing the car in, getting in. So far so good. We spent late last night getting the car sorted. We found a couple of gremlins, we got it sorted, dialed the vehicle into our coastal atmosphere, and so far so good, guys. On our side, Supreme Technik side,
So on our side, we had a S700 package that we needed to complete. This client decided a week before the time he's going to do a S700 package to join in on the madness on Saturday. So we got to the ball. We did a S700 on his car, S700R. I finished the exhaust on that car. We're going to do a couple of calibrations tonight on the JB4, and we're also busy with another S700 in the shop. Take a look through over here. So it's been a busy week, guys. We've been getting packages out this week. We've been getting vehicles sorted. It's been going crazy. So over here, this is, I think, the first Adro G87. So very lovely. It's fitted with a JB4. Set the Strada downpipes, JB4 on the bar, Venturi intakes, beautiful. This owner really has taste, guys. It's going to be in action on tomorrow. Hussein going to pilot this one tomorrow, so we hope to see it. Nothing too fancy. I mean, it's a F90 M5 JB4 downpipes intake, so let's hope for the best. I say personal. This is before race day. This guy's gonna do a 10.3, guys. 10.3, that's what I say.
We'll put a time.
Yeah.
We'll put a time on the screen if it's correct.
Okay, thank you, guys. I'm out. I need to go home. I'm waiting for everyone to get busy so I can go home and go sleep.
Yeah, E46 M3 CS. If you have a look here, carbon fiber, more carbon fiber, more carbon fiber. And it's manual. And I stole the car about like 4 times. I don't know for what reason, but I stole it. It was very embarrassing because like everyone standing outside and they were looking at me. Like I think there's something wrong with me. I don't know how I stole it. But anyways, very beautiful car nonetheless. I think it comes to a 1 of 1 in regards to the sound of these engines or that these engines produce. Very nice cars. Very unique sounding also.
Well, what are we on now?
Don't show the people what you're throwing in here, no?
Let's hide what it is.
We're throwing in, you know what is Zamzam water? It's the water we get from our holy pilgrimage.
Zamzam.
Hey, you see, if he does it. I couldn't afford the petrol at the pump. Petrol's too expensive. Got some paraffin here. Guys, I'm a married man, I don't know how to do this. It's coming.
Some of the meanest sounding cars in Cape Town.
We make a noise in Cape Town, brother. Must hear Cape Town. We're washing cars. We're washing cars, look. Nothing amazing. It's not like it's 1600 horsepower cars, 9-second, 8-second cars. Yo guys, I'm
between that two cars.
I'm finished. I'm super tired. But yeah, support the Joburg guys. They told us we must pull through the car wash. Got a couple of dirty cars that we need washed. From here we're gonna head out for some more testing. Tomorrow is race day, so
Guys, there's the car that they turn our tips upside down, and the guy took my hand, guys. I don't know what I was nervous.
I just want to say, I think me and Fadil should just start doing YouTube. To be very honest.
What happened to the
You can
YouTube that you started?
The Lemon series did well. And then I think we just retired after that.
This must be Lemon Series 2.0.
You flipped the lemon.
Yeah, but now the
channel as
lemons
well.
are becoming. I don't know what do lemon become?
1200
Oh,
horsepower.
what you created lemon juice out of our lemon.
Yeah.
You
Now we don't
squeezed
talk
the
about
shit out of
that. Now we don't talk about that. That was bad memories. What's your guys' take on Cape Town samosas?
Lekker net.
Bibi? Bibi, what you say? Cape Town samosas, I see you standing with 2 bags in your hand. Must mean something.
I love Cape Town food.
Okay.
I love it.
Okay.
Best.
You heard it? No. So as you can see, fully packed 357 Supreme course. Okay, I don't see the Supreme course, but there was a lot more to eat. Okay. Yeah. I have 2 samosas in my hand. I have no idea why. We might have to make a short stop by the airport to pick up some more members coming from Joburg. One of their flights are delayed by a few minutes, so I'm just waiting on confirmation and I'll make my way through to the airport. And then yeah, I have absolutely no idea what we're doing here.
What do you think the turnout tomorrow is going to be?
Full. 110% full. To be honest, I'm putting my money down that there's probably only gonna be 2 people who's gonna challenge the bully. And then after that, I don't think he's gonna get any challenges or call-outs. But we're gonna have to wait and see. You know what I mean? How's the guy standing there? Yeah, but anyways, guys, I can't talk. I'm gonna talk the whole time. Connor, do you have any other questions?
Nope. That's all.
Okay, I'll see you later. I just want to enjoy my monster and my samosas.